Today, we are doing something just a little bit special. For the last year or so that I've owned this car, I've had the Cobb Catback exhaust. It's a really good exhaust. A lot of people call it the gentleman's exhaust. They said the same thing when I was looking up good exhaust for the VB. We're doing a lot of engine upgrades here pretty soon. We're getting a 20G from Blausch. We're doing an external wastegate. We're doing a new tune with a flex fuel kit. And it just doesn't really do it for me the same way that, you know, my Mazda exhaust was. And so I decided to do something a little bit crazy. Oh yeah, we're doing it. That's right, we're getting the cops called on us. Our neighbors are gonna hate us. The Tomei Expreme single exit titanium exhaust. I've wanted one of these for ever since I fell in love with the WRX STI platform probably about 10 years ago. This is my first WRX STI and I just want to do it right. And I feel like every forum I've read, every post I've seen, they all say the same thing. They say that this really unlocks the sound. This is what a Subaru is supposed to sound like when you slap this on. So let's do it. This is a pretty simple removal, just these two bolts here. And then you can disconnect the mid pipe and the mufflers, or you could just take it off all as one assembly. You got a hanger here, two hangers at the end, and two bolts here. It really is up to you. I'm probably just going to take it off all as one piece. I'll just slide it out of the car. Ooh, it's leaking a little bit. All right, we got the mid pipe loosely installed. It's time for the muffler, then I'll tighten everything up, put the springs, and we're gonna actually just let it roll in neutral out to the driveway, and then we will get a nice video of the sound. We're almost done. Actually a pretty quick install. And this is going to be on my eBay. I'm gonna sell this for probably half price plus shipping, so I think it goes for like $1,400 on the Cobb site, but I'm only gonna sell it for probably like $650 plus probably $150 shipping. So you can get this Cobb exhaust, I mean, in really, really great condition. The welds still look outstanding. You'll just need to get a single gasket, and it already comes with hardware, so pretty good deal for $800. You're saving yourself about $600 from the Cobb site. Also being extra thorough, and I got these Perrin polyurethane exhaust hangers off of eBay for like $35. And I had them on my Mazda Speed, but I had the Cobb brand. They were just about the same price from the website unused. These were also unused, but we got to make sure that every time we go under the car, we're just being really thorough so we don't have to do something over again. Or, you know, I hate jacking up this car, especially working in my one car garage. So whenever I can knock out two birds with one stone, I usually do just that, but holy shit. All right, guys, here it is, all set up. So I think a common issue is probably these springs here. I didn't make this one quite long enough, but I don't care that much. A lot of people actually don't even run the springs, but I am, because I came with the hardware, so I'm like, fuck it, I'm just gonna run them. This is the way that I did it. So what I did was I got a little pick in this hook orientation. What I did is I just lined it up on the end here. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. What I did to make it work is I took this tool and I bent it like this. And what I did is I slide it through right here. So it comes out the other side. I hook on the end. And I just gently drag it through like this until both the ends are pointing outside, and then I just use the same hook tool to drag it to the other side. This is cheap too. You can get this for like $3 or $5 at Harbor Freight and just bend it. So that's what I did for this. So I'll set up both just like this, slap them on the end there, and then we're done. We're gonna turn it on. All right, one last look. Shut the car. Perrin bushing, mid-pipe, and another Perrin bushing. All the way down, meets NVIDIA catted downpipe. Gaskets on. Everything looks pretty good. Let's give it a go. Guys, thanks for watching. The car sounds so good. Definitely one of the best mods that I bought for this car. So if you guys want my Cobb Catback, it's a little bit quieter, probably a little bit more neighborhood friendly. It's on my eBay. I'll leave the link below, but thank you for watching.